everyone, I'm Michelle from Rockin Cushions, and today I want to show you how you can turn your generic Havsten chair into something customized with one of our slipcovers. So at the moment I have one of our slipcover sets on here. This is a grey boho print, and I will take it off and I'll show you how to switch it out for a different design. So you can see how easy it is to change your chair according to your decor needs. So super easy. Each of our covers has an invisible zipper and it's basically a giant pillowcase. So they are invisible, but you can still find them. And you're just going to open it up like this and remove the cushion from inside. And today, for the back pillow, I'm going to do a black and white stripe. You can buy this at our website, rockincushions.com. And again, invisible zipper. And then you are just going to squeeze the cushion in half. And insert it into the cover. This black and white stripe cover, by the way, is our best seller. And all of our covers come in a set, including the seat cover and the back pillow cover. Okay, so this is done, looks pretty good. And now I am going to put on the seat cushion cover. So exactly the same, you just want to make sure that the zipper is actually going to end up at the back of the cushion. Well, towards that way. So we're going to just squeeze the cushion again and feed it through the opening. So here we have the seat and here we have the back pillow. So this is an unusual combination, but we do normally sell them in sets. So if you buy a set of the Havsten covers, you are going to get the seat cushion cover and the matching back cushion cover as well. So here we have it. We have what looks like a brand new Havsten chair just by changing the slip covers on the cushions. So check out my website. I have lots more designs in stock and much more coming. So be sure to sign up for my newsletter as well to receive updates. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.